The functional unit of the kidney is nephron. Largest bone in human body is femur. The smallest bone of human body is stapes. Which organ is called blood bank of the body? Spleen. The heart is located in mediastinum. Normal weight of adult brain is about 1200 থেকে 1400 গ্রাম। The longest muscle in human body is sartorius. Which structure connects muscles to bones? Tendon. Functional unit of lungs is alveoli. Largest artery in the body is aorta. Largest vein in the body is inferior vena cava. Normal heart has how many chambers? 4. The pacemaker of the heart is SA node. Voice box is known as larynx. Which part of the brain controls balance? Cerebellum. The longest nerve in the human body is sciatic nerve. Number of cranial nerves is 12 pairs. Number of spinal nerves is 31. The outer layer of kidney is called cortex. Normal adult teeth number is 32. Which vitamin is synthesized in skin by sunlight? Vitamin D. Largest gland in human body is liver. Normal weight of adult liver is about 1.5 kg. Largest endocrine gland is thyroid. Master gland of body is pituitary. Red blood cells are formed in bone marrow. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days.